saying with deep regret, it has now been ascertained that General Bipin Rawat, Mrs. Madhulika Rawat, and 11 other persons on board the chopper have died in the unfortunate accident. That is confirmation now coming in from the Indian Air Force of this absolutely unfortunate.
The center approved the creation of the post of a Chief of a Defence Staff, that is the CDS, and the Department of a Military Affairs as the fifth department within the Ministry of Defence. General Bipin Rawat will be appointed as the country's first Chief of Principal Military Advisors to the Defence Ministry of all three services, that is Army, Navy, and Indian Force matters. What is the background? The background, it is the creation was recommended in 2001 by a group minister of a GOM, that is was the tasked with the studying of the Kargil Reviews Committee 1999 report. After the GOM recommendation in the preparation for the post of a CDS, the government created the Integrated Defence Staff in 2002, which was the eventually service of the CDS security team. In the 2012, the Neeraj Chandra Committee recommended the appointment of a permanent chairman chief of a staff committee as a midway on two elements apprentices over the CDS. The post of a CDS was also recommended by the General D.B. Shekhar Committee on December 2016. What is the role of a CDS? The Department of Military Affairs will be also headed by the CDS, who will ensure the joining in the training, logistics, and the productivity to the three services. He will have the salary and the permission equality of a service chief. The three services, the headquarters of an Integrated Defence Staff, the Territorial Army, was related order to Army, Air Force, and Navy, and propose the executives to the service, that is the expect capital acquisition. All will operate under the department. The CDS will be the permanent chairman of the Chief Defence Committee, that is the COSC. However, CDS will not exercise any military command over the three service chiefs. CDS will ensure the condition of in joint operation. As the permanent chairman of a COSC, he will be the member of the Defence Accurate Council, headed by the Defence Ministry. The Defence Planning Committee, headed by the National Security Advisor. He will be the military advisor to the Nuclear Command Authority, that is the chaired by the Prime Minister, which handle India's nuclear arsenal. Service condition. The Defence Ministry had recently amended the Army, Air Force, and the Navy rules by the allowing the Chief of a Defence Staff to serve up a maximum age of 65 years. According to executive rules, an army chief has a tenure of 3 years for of the retirement of age 62 years, whichever is early. He will not eligible to hold any department office after departing to the resign at the CDS. Mandate of a CDS. What is the need? With the increase in complexity of a security challenge in the modern warfare arena, there was a need to an integrated approach towards the defense strategy. There are communication issues. The military governance by the individual commanders inter alia, which demanded the joint working of Army, Navy, and Indian Force. Jointness. The CDS will be ensured and promote the jointness, the consenting together of the three services independently. Through the joint planning of a commanded operation, logistics, transport, training, communication, repairs, maintenance of the three services within the 3 years of operation. This will be to ensure close corruption and collaboration among the defense forces. Integration. There is a need for the included integration, that is putting together of three services at different levels and planning them of under one commander in different service. However, there is a difference between integration of a joint of a command. Lack of resources. CDS, the first amount equals, will act as single point advisor and could be the held accountable for this action and the decision taken. Military commanders are the optional alliances of resources will be avoid unnecessary duplication and wasteful exploitation. Expertise, being into the service for so for long. Expertise the and knowledge of a CDS to deal with the advisor of a situation could be approximately the until the in order to achieve the described aims, creating an achievement for a joint commanders. Responsibility of a CDS. CDS will be administered to the three services organization against related to cyber and space. CDS will look into the monitoring of controls, promoting the use of integration, the equipment, leveraging the current of a system and transforming them, and the provision of the procurement of a defense equipment in a better way. He will be also assigned the enter the service of a provision of the capital accumulation proposed based on the anticipated the budget. CDS will be bring reformed to augment the combat capitalizes of the forces and it is expected to evaluate plans for the out of area contribution. For the countries in India, neighborhood. What is the challenge of a CDS? And the for defense of the nation is still the Department of Defense, but the promises of a process expect the capital advisors the CDS. This gives the budget to the dictatement. This give but to the dictatement as the one hand the CDS expected to provide the expanded between the three services, but they are the wherewith still has the defense security. Hence, the budgetary powers still has lies the bureaucrats which demands the timely intervention by the government. CDA has the mandate for force planning associated with the creation and the maintenance military capability, changing role of a warfare, being more the technology oriented and the over nationalization the manpower needs to be the address properly. India faces the frequently contributed to the land of conflicts, balancing with the relation that the both mental and air power are going to land an important role in India rise of a leading. Power will be the among the indigenous strategy challenge that will be the faces by the CDS. What is the way forward? This is a major first step in the direction challenge changes, but not the final step. CDS needs to work like the war, fighting advisor and execute through the joint commanders. The single service must be evolved in a way so that it can raise the train and sustain military affairs, but this raise a question of such places in the Department of Defense. Hence, the restoration the defense must be done in a transferable manner such that there is a cross posting of the same senior military officer in the decision making in the Department of Defense as well as the creation of the CDS will be in need to the followed up with the future reforms to recognize the armed forces to meet India aspiring to the global power. Short information of Bipin Rawat. The General Bipin Rawat Singh Rawat, the PVSM, UYSM, AVSM, YSM, SM, VSM, ADC, that the 16 March 1958 born and that died in 8 December 2021, was a 4-star general of the Indian Army. He was the first chief of a defense of India. This 13 December 2019, he has an appointment in the first series of India, assumed of officer 1 January 2020. Period of a talking of an hour, the CDS has the 57th at the last chairman of the CDS, as well as the chief of army staff for Indian Army. On 8 December 2021, General Rawat died the crash of Indian Air Force Mi-70 helicopter in Tamil Nadu. He is accompanied by his wife and the members of the person staff. Rawat was born in Pauri, Uttarakhand on 16 March 1958 into a Hindu Gawari Rajput family. Family had been servicing in Indian Army multiple generations. From Sainji's village of the military career, Rawat was the commissioned in the 5th Battalion of Gorkha Rifles on 16 December 1978, the same as his father. He has so much experience in a high attitude welfare and spent 10 years contributed of a counter institution of a operation. He is the commander of a company in Uri, Jammu Kashmir, as a major. As a colonel, he commanded the battalion. The 5th Battalion, the Gorkha Rifles in the eastern sector along line of actual control at Thubu. During the 1987 phase of the Sumodung Chu Valley, Rawat Battalion was developed against with the Chinese People's Liberation Army. The standoff of the first military coalition along the dispute McMahon line after the 1960 or MONSOO, a multiplication bridge in a chapter 7 mission in the Democratic Republic of the Congo. Rawat had a truly outstanding tour. Within the 2 weeks, the development in the DRC, the bridge faces the major opacity in the east, which determined not only the region capital of a North Kivu, Goma. It is established across the country as a whole. The situation was a demand a rapid response at the North Kivu bridge was the river, where it is the representation of over 7,000 men and women, representing the nearly half of the MONSOCO force. 2050 Myanmar strikes. In June 2050, 18 Indian soldiers were killed in an ambush by the military belonging in the United Liberation Front of Western Southeast Asia in Manipur. The Indian Army responded with the cross-border strikes in which the units of 21st Battalion of the Prachut Regiment struck the NSCK base in Myanmar. 21 Para was under the operation control of a Dimit based 3rd Corps, which was commanded by Rawat.